Hey, hopefully everybody's Sunday is going amazing. Hopefully everyone out there is inspired, man. So today I just want to talk to you guys real quick about life, man. Life is very unpredictable. That's why I always tell you guys out there, the past means nothing. Those are just memories, man. It's all about right now. I'm talking about the time is now, man. You know what I'm saying? Everything that you want to do should be achieved right now. You know, don't worry about the future. The future is unpredictable. You know, we could try to plan for it, but you can't predict the future. You know, so I just want to talk to you guys out there, man, and let you guys know everything that I'm doing right now in this world, hey, I couldn't predict it. And you guys are the same. Everything that you're doing right now, you really can't predict it. You know, even though you might set some goals and actually started to achieve those goals, you know, to be where you're at today. But the thing about life is it's very unpredictable, you know. And I just want to talk to you guys real quick on why I'm saying this is because I started this business back in 2017 with one dually truck and one trailer. So I never really, honestly, I wanted to grow the business, but I never really knew that I'll be in this position right now. And I'm talking about the position of being able to work from home, being able to be a freight broker, a dispatcher, have a lease on trucking company, train people, mentor people. Honestly, my thoughts wasn't even that big. My thoughts was I wanted to be the biggest hotshot trucking company. I wanted a crazy amount of dually trucks, and I wanted to be known as the biggest hotshot trucking company. So this is why I'm telling you guys, you can't predict the future because, of course, once you start business, and the good part about business is that you have to learn from business. You have to learn so that you could go in the actual direction where the money is. You know, because honestly, I thought, hey, hotshot trucking, I'm gonna make a lot of money in hotshot trucking. Don't get me wrong, there is money to be made in hotshot trucking, but there's a lot of money to be made outside of hotshot trucking too. And I'm talking about the dispatching, the broker, and the leasing on owner-operators to my company, the trainings, the mentorship, whatever it is. You know, you guys have to start figuring out ways to expand your business and grow your business. Take that knowledge and start pretty much trying to figure out how you can monetize it and also how you can grow your business by acquiring that knowledge. A lot of people out here in business, once you start your business, you guys are going to be stuck in your ways. You're going to be like places like Kmart and Bed Bath & Beyond and all of these places that Toys R Us, all of these places that was big at one time, but now they're not as big. And the reason why they're not big is because of that key word, evolution. Those guys are not evolving and those guys are not staying up with the modern day, you know. So it's the same thing in trucking. A lot of you guys out there are hotshot trucking right now. You have been hotshot trucking for the past few years, or you guys have been owner operators, whether, you know, driving semi trucks too. But you still have yet to evolve, you know. You got to keep learning out there. One thing about it is you got to keep listening to other people who have traveled the path that you want to travel, and you guys got to keep reading. You got to keep doing research out here. That's the only way that you're going to grow. So I just wanted to really put this video out today and let you guys know, man, what I'm doing right now, I couldn't predict it. You know what I'm saying? But it all fell in place for me. So sometimes you just got to let things in life work itself out. You know what I'm saying? A lot of you guys out here are going to be too analytical. You're going to go create these 20 or 30 page business plans. And trust me, man, that's fine. You know, I'm not knocking that, you know, but life is very unpredictable. You're really going to learn through just putting yourself out there, putting yourself in that fire. You're going to learn through trial and error. And some of you guys are learning, but you're not really implementing those lessons learned. You know, so I believe that's going to separate that business owner from the business owner who is barely going to stay afloat. So when you guys see me out here on these YouTube videos and you're asking me the questions about how's the trucking industry and all of that, honestly, I'm not riding the same wave as the next hotshot trucking company out here, you know, because I do multiple things. I'm not worried about if my truck don't make X amount of dollars this week. you know, because I'm going to get that money from somewhere else. I look at my businesses as a team effort. You know, I got a set goal in a financial goal every week and every month where I want to hit, and I just want to make sure that all of my businesses could hit that goal. I'm not just focused in on one business, you know, so I believe if I focused in on only one business, that I probably wouldn't be where I'm at right now, you know, especially financially. So, like I say, I just want to put this video out there today because I do talk to a lot of people on a day-to-day basis. A lot of you guys out there that's hotshot trucking and that's owner-operators driving semi-trucks. If you've been doing this for years and that's all you've been doing, I just encourage you guys, man, start learning more. You know, start learning that dispatching, start learning that freight brokering, start learning how to lease people onto your actual trucking company for profit. Man, there's other streams of income in this business. You just can't focus in on hauling loads out there. I'm gonna tell you guys, I look at hauling loads like the drug trade. You know what I'm saying? So let me break it down to you on why I said that. Because I haul loads, right? You know, so I just want to let you guys know everything that I talk about on my YouTube channel, I've either done it or I'm doing it now. So I have the experience, I have the knowledge, and trust me, I've had enough black eyes for probably everybody that's watching this video right now. So that's why I'm able to get on this camera confidently to share, you know, my stories and my success stories, and I've shared my failures and all of that. So I just want to talk to you guys and let you guys know real quick on why I said it's like the drug trade. You know, because now I look at the actual hauling loads as the nickel and diamond. You know, so if you guys out there can understand me right now, you guys are nickel and diamond right now because you got too many people before you, you know. So you guys want to become the source. You know, you want to become the plug. And by me saying that, you want to know and be able to cut the middleman out, you know. So like I told you guys, either cut the middleman out or become the middleman, become the source, become the plug, start making a little bit more money. You know what I'm saying? You can't be out here nickel and diamond forever, you know. So I understand it's good right now and you're taking care of your family, but hey, this is life. Get as much as you can out of life while you're here. Leave as much as you can for your family and for your kids. Like I say, your kids are going to appreciate everything that you're doing, hopefully now. But make sure that your kids are proud of you and make sure that they appreciate you. Make sure if you're a father right now, make sure your son is like, hey, that's my dad over there. You know what I'm saying? That's my dad right there, man. You know, telling his friends. It's because he's proud of you, you know, and he's proud of what you're doing out there. So just always think about that. What is your purpose in life, you know? And make sure your purpose is going to inspire you to really go out and go get it, man. So I just want to drop this quick video on you guys today out there and let you guys know, man, this is pretty much my mentality right now when it comes to trucking. It's very unpredictable. Your life is unpredictable. Business is unpredictable. But like I say, just keep putting in that effort, getting out there. Like I always tell you guys, CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Commit, you know, figure out what you want to do and just commit to it. Never let anyone take you off your game. Never let anyone persuade your mind to do anything differently. You know, execute. Man, that's the biggest part. A lot of you guys out there, you're going to read 10, 20 books every month. You're going to watch 100,000 YouTube videos, and you're still going to continue to do it next year in 2020. No, don't do that. You know, you don't need all of that. Just execute, man. You know, and be obsessed. Once you commit, once you execute, and now it's time to be obsessed. And that's it, man. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed out there, man. So if anyone have any questions, please hit me on my email at broker@mannystrans.com. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Man, I'm talking about this is a movement. This is not a moment, man. Extraordinarymovement.com. Go sign up with TAFS. Trans and Financial Services, if you guys are looking for a factoring service out there. If you guys are looking for a load board, go sign up with DAT for 30-day free trial with DAT, man. Like I say, when I first started this business, my first year, I made a lot of money off of DAT app, and it's very user-friendly and it's very convenient. Go download that app out there, man. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Man, I'm trying to tell you, everybody be great out there.